Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Generating income above real rate of return will be critical as interest rates decline and inflation settles down moving into 2025. To gauge the outlook for interest rates, we like to look at CME Fed Watch tool. This provides an expected timeline for direction of the Fed funds rate based on highest probability. According to the current view, the CME Fed Watch tool predicts that the Fed funds target range will decline by another 125 basis points by December of 2025 Federal Open Market Committee meeting. This downward pressure on interest rate means investors need to look for alternative to government treasuries. A high potential area to generate income consists of companies that focus on investing in high quality venture capital opportunities. One could reap the success of the invested venture companies while also collecting regular dividend income at the same time. This is where companies like Hercules Capital Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol HTGC, come in. John?
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, Hercules Capital is a specialty finance company that provides senior secured venture growth loans. The company's clients are growth-oriented venture capital-backed companies focused mainly on the technology and life sciences segments. Hercules Capital has lent out over $21 billion to more than 660 companies since December 2023. The business venture loans pays out if the investment pans out. What impresses us about Hercules Capital stock is that it has paid a dividend in 20 straight years, with higher dividends in 3 straight years. Now, HTGC Stock offers a forward dividend yield currently of 9.7% based on the annual dividend of $1.92 per share and a current share price of $19.25. Now, as for Hercules stock, it has advanced 35% over the last year and 26% in 2024.
And John, on the numbers front, Hercules reported record third quarter investment income.
Yeah, Hercules Capital has grown its revenue by more than 65% from 2019 to a record $469.1 million in 2023. Now, there were 3 consecutive years of growth, including the stellar 44.6% gain in 2023. Now, the company's third quarter saw record revenue or investment income of $125.2 million, which was up slightly more than 7% on an annual basis. Hercules Capital had around $4.6 billion in assets under management, representing growth of 10.9% year over year. Now, the outlook remains solid too, with analysts estimating that Hercules will increase its revenue to $501.6 million in 2024 and growing to $530.2 million in 2025.
What about the profits here?
Equally as impressive, this includes a stellar 192.7% growth in profits in 2023 to a record $2.31 per diluted share. Now, adjusted for non-recurring expenses, Hercules Capital earned $2.09 per diluted share in 2023. Third quarter saw an inline adjusted 51 cents per diluted share. Now, going forward, analysts estimate that the company will report adjusted earnings of $2.04 per diluted share in 2024 and sliding slightly to $2 per diluted share in 2025. While the estimates are, mostly flat, I'm encouraged by the relative stability of the company's profitability and free cash flow, which supports dividend payments.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, I see Hercules Capital dividends payouts have increased 50% since 2019.
Yeah, Hercules Capital dividend of $1.92 per share in 2023 was lower than its 2022 payout of $2.04 per share, but the current dividend is 50% higher than it was in 2019. The current 48 cents per share dividend has been in place for, I think it's 5 straight quarters. Prior to this, Hercules Capital paid 47 cents per share in May of 2023. HTGC stock currently has an attractive forward dividend yield of 10.05%.
John, thank you so much for your insight. Hercules Capital has been a great BDC since it went public in 2005. This is due in large part to its underwriting skills and the kind of companies this company invests in. This helped Hercules report record results in 2023 with that momentum carrying into 2024. On the passive income front, with Hercules Capital Stock, you get regular dividend income that has grown since 2019. The forward yield is also well above comparative bond yields. Plus, you get the opportunity to generate capital appreciation. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.